Hey guys, what's going on? It's beautiful today here in Mississippi. It's been 40s, 30s. Today it's 70s. I'll take it. So today I'm gonna get out here and I'm gonna mess with my vehicles. I have my 4runner here. I tried doing some welding on the exhaust, and yeah, I suck. So I'm gonna see if I can't get a little better at that. We'll see what I can do. It'll probably still suck. But whatever you do, don't do what I do. I am not training you on welding. I'm not doing that at all. So let's see what I do. Oh yeah, look at those white things. Oh, and oh, hello Lucy. Look at that thing. That's the most beautiful thing you've ever seen in your life. There's this whole story to that. That's actually after 3 surgeries, and that's the best that it is. So let's check out that exhaust now. That's probably not as ugly as what you just saw. Alright, so here is the monstrosity in question. I want to fix all that. You can see all the little leaks and stuff like that all along there. I'm just going to cut all this out. I'm taking and putting a new muffler in. This cherry bomb has seen better days. Seen many of a river crossings. Oh, and look at my fantastic exhaust holder. It's gone through many of the rivers, so yeah, I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this. See if I can't clean this up a little bit, make it look better. Seeing as though it's, it's up so high, you can see it. Yeah, that thing looks terrible. God, that looks bad. All right, let me get this off of here. Oh, I got this set up here. I'm gonna try and weld it. I went ahead and cleaned the edges up. I got a little gap right there. I'm gonna have to fill that in, but I got it held in place. Gonna see how this goes. I'm not very good at welding, so this could go 2 ways, bad and good. So hopefully it goes good, but I'll show you what it looks like when I get done. Hey, yeah, so check out these welds. I mean, okay, they're not professionals. They're definitely not dimes, but for your 5th time welding, yeah, never taken any classes, just kind of, I can't say that I've self-taught myself. It's kind of been a self-teaching a little bit, but I have had somebody giving me some advice. So, but it's better than it was. I'm telling you. If you remember at the beginning of the video when I showed you those welds that I had, they were god awful. So, I mean, you can see a little splatter. I'm not touching it because it's still hot, but you can see that splatter there still. I mean, this is the welder I use right here. So this little bitty thing right here. So it gets the job done. I mean, I didn't want to spend a whole lot of money. I got this thing for like $35. So for $35, it's been doing pretty good. But I'm gonna actually let this cool down, and I'm gonna pop this back into the truck and crank it up to hear how it sounds. Oh yeah, so one other thing I need to do, you can see this is where my O2 sensor would go, and like right here, you see a little bit of something got up inside there, so I need to grind that away. This isn't even from this time, I just realized it. Apparently it was a couple times ago. So I'm gonna go ahead and get that away using this here grinder. Remember, safety glasses. So let's get this done. Alright, so as you can see, I've cleaned up all of that right there. This is what would go, here's my O2 sensor. And so, let's see, does she fit? Looks like she does. Yep. Fits all the way, just barely though. You know what? I'm just gonna take a little bit more off of right up here, just to be sure. It looked like this side right here was just kind of rubbing up against that, or was going to be close to it. Oh yeah, I got plenty of space now. And if y'all can see that right there, yeah, there's plenty of space, so we're good to go. What the hell was that? Let's go ahead and bolt that down real quick. Ooh, it is warm. So this actually is part of the eBay headers that I had bought. This section right here with the O2 sensor, and it doesn't fit great. That's one thing I forgot to mention in that video. So make sure you check out that video as well if you're interested in the eBay headers for the Toyota 3.0. Don't feel like spending all that money on the LC Engineerings, which I'm sure are really good. And for $700, they definitely should be. I have to loosen this one up just a touch. Just a touch. Let's see here. This other side too. Alright, so here we go. Got it in place. Still using these terrible clamps right here. Eventually I'll take care of that. My welding skills are getting a little better, so I just gotta get the flanges to put in. Got my O2 sensor there. Runs up. All that good stuff. And so, alright, well, let's crank it up and see how she sounds. Okay, let's hear it. She sounds a little bit of gas. Not too bad. I'm not gonna give her too much gas because she's still warming up, but yeah, she's a good truck. Alright, well, I think this is gonna be all for this video, but look out for some more. Like, subscribe, guys. Thanks. Bye. So, I also want to show y'all this. I went ahead and painted me this right here. The little speckle is actually like a I think it's a bronze or something like that, or some sort of rose gold or something like that. It used to be gray, but I have this blue one here. So I'm gonna grab that real quick. Yeah, I got this blue one, and I had the gray one, but I wanted something else a little different. So let's go ahead and let's pop that off real quick. To do that, there's a little spot right here. Alright, so yeah, you just pull that up, exposes just the plain old whatever. So then we're going to put this in there and snap her on down. And there we go. Got the replacement in. I say it looks a lot better. It's a little more different, and yeah, it just looks all around better to me. Put my own little spin on it. Hey, look, it's me. Hey, me. So, all right, just wanted to show you all that. Hope you like it. Bye.